Can I let you in on a little secret? Students everywhere are falling in love, but not with each other. Nope, with AI. From writing essays in seconds to whispering math solutions late at night, AI has become the ultimate study crush. But here's the twist. Teachers are starting to notice, and oh, they definitely have opinions. So today, bestie, I'm spilling all the tea on how students are using AI to study, what teachers really think, and how this might totally change the way we learn. Stick around, cutie. You might just find your new favorite study partner, or your ride-or-die study bestie. Let's be real. Schoolwork can feel like a bad date. Long, boring, and sometimes a total energy vampire. That's why when ChatGPT showed up, students were like, finally, someone, or should I say something, that actually listens and gives quick answers. Usage blew up so fast that some study sites panicked. Chegg even admitted students were ditching them for AI. That's like your ex getting replaced by someone hotter, faster, and smarter. Ouch. And babe, it's not just ChatGPT. There's Conmigo from Khan Academy, which feels like a patient tutor. Quizlet's QChat that makes quizzes for you. Even Notion AI, basically the friend who organizes your messy notes when you just can't anymore. It's giving total study glow-up. All right, darling, let's count down the 5 most popular ways students are sneaking AI into study sessions. Number 5, sweet summaries. Got a 30-page reading? Copy-paste it, and boom, instant notes. No more drowning in highlighter ink, just cute, simple bullet points. Would you use that? Be honest in the comments, bestie. Number 4, science and math lifesavers. AI explains equations step by step. No judgment, no size. Just a tutor who actually has patience. Like that friend who always helps you without making you feel dumb. Number 3, flashcards and study guides. Notes go in, quizzes and flashcards come out. It's like your own personal study kit, minus the stress tears at 2 a.m. Number 2, essay glow-ups. Some students use AI to polish grammar. Others, they let it write the whole thing. Teachers can usually tell, but let's be honest. Sometimes it looks cleaner than what we used to write at 3 a.m. with coffee-fueled desperation. Number 1, the tutor who never ghosts you. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't say, we already covered that. It's just there, 24/7, like the dream partner or the ride-or-die bestie who answers your texts at midnight. One student told me she used AI to practice Spanish conversation every night before exams. Another had ChatGPT roleplay as a fake professor, asking him tough quiz questions. Creative? Absolutely. Cheating? Depends on who you ask. Now, let's talk teachers. Oh, they have thoughts. Some feel totally cheated on, like, excuse me? You asked AI to write your essay instead of coming to me? Total heartbreak. But not all teachers are anti-AI. Some are impressed. They see it as a tool to help students who don't have money for private tutors. Some schools are even letting students use AI in class, as long as they're learning, not just copying. So yeah, mixed feelings. AI might be the bad boy teachers warned you about, but also the sweet best friend who always picks up your call at 2 a.m. Cheating? Depends on who you ask. Okay, gorgeous. Let's get practical. If you're curious which AI apps are trending with students right now, here are some faves. ChatGPT, the all-rounder. Essays, summaries, brainstorming. Conmigo, like a patient tutor that never rushes you. Quizlet AI, cram sessions, but make them cute. Grammarly Go, essay polishing and grammar glow-ups. Notion AI, turns chaos notes into a neat little package. Would you want me to do a top 10 best free AI apps for students video next? Drop a yes, bestie in the comments. Now, bestie, we've got to talk red flags. AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it just makes things up. They call it hallucinating. Imagine asking for a science fact, and it confidently gives you something totally fake. Awkward. And teachers? They're already using AI detectors. One student got called out because their essay used words they didn't even know. So yeah, AI can help, but you still gotta use your brain. Think of it like lip gloss. Cute and shiny, but you still need the lipstick underneath. Okay, let's daydream for a second. What if AI could take your exam for you? Or show up to class as your digital twin, nodding along while you're at Starbucks? What if AI got so good, teachers started dating their own AI assistants? Scandalous, but kind of hilarious. Sounds wild now, but honestly, 10 years ago, we didn't think we'd have smartphones glued to our hands either. Picture this, love. A classroom where every single student has a personal AI tutor, one that knows your strengths, your weak spots, and how you learn best. But here's the spicy part. If AI handles tutoring, do teachers become less important? Or even more important, as mentors guiding us while AI handles the grunt work? Either way, the classroom of the future is going to look a whole lot different. And honestly, I'm kind of here for it. So here's the real tea, bestie. Is AI making students smarter or sneakier? I'd love to know what you think. Drop your thoughts below.